What's up, man?
Are you serious, bro?
Yeah.
Man.
Terrible, wasn't it?
It's a wonderful change, bro.
It is, man.
It's a wonderful change.
Yes.
Do you see, bro?
Yes. Terrible.
Let me see the before and the after. Tell me something. How do you feel with this teeth at the beginning?
Man, my confidence was low. I ain't like smiling. I ain't like going places. It was just bad. You know, I just like to stay in the hood and stay to myself.
How long ago you placed your gold caps?
25 years ago.
25
I'm
years.
40 now. So 25 years, when I was 15 years old, I put them goals in my mouth.
The thing is, usually these gold caps are placed by the jewelers, right?
Right.
But they don't have,
exactly.
they don't have enough knowledge to place these caps because the union, the cap with the teeth, you will stock a lot of food, you know?
Right.
So under the gold cap, you will stock food and the cavity will appear, the bad breath will appear, the gingivitis, periodontal disease, the gum disease, for sure. How do you feel today, bro?
Man, like $1 billion, man.
Ay, ay,
Like $1 billion. Yeah, y'all see it?
You look so nice, Papa.
Thank you, man.
You look so nice. You look so
man.
nice.
I might get one of these tenderonis around here now.
Man, so new man today.
Huh?
New man today.
New man today, man.
What about the girls in that?
The girls in Nashville, man, they ain't Colombians.
Huh?
They're not Colombians. For real, get that, don't cut that either.
At the beginning with your gold caps, when you brush your teeth and you use your dental floss, how do you feel with your breath?
It was still there. You know, it'll go away, but it's still there.
Yes, because
Yeah,
unfortunately
it's-
with this kind of gold caps, even when you brush your teeth 10 times per day,
It's still stuck in your nose.
you cannot remove all the food under the gold caps.
Right. So it just sit there. I'm real happy. I'm very happy.
What about the experience in the teamwork? What about the
Y'all, the
experience?
teamwork is amazing. Your whole operation amazing, man. When I first came in, I said, man, it's like a dentist for like a Walmart dentist. This is mass production. It's hearing drills and stuff going on, man. It's lovely. I love it, man. Get rid of them, man. If you can't pull them out and clean your teeth, get rid of them. Because you see what it's going to do to you. It's going to do this right here, man. This is what it's going to do to you. Look now, though. That's what money get you.
That's it, man.
Yeah.
$1 million playing the game.
Yeah.